only 30% of Filipinos do have a retirement plan in place. Which basically means, guys, 7 out of 10 Filipinos that you meet sa street do not have a retirement plan. Guys, imagine that ha. Pagtanda mo, imagine, bakit natin hindi iniisip lagi ang retirement plan natin? What will you use when you grow old? Your kids is not your retirement plan. Your pamangkin, your tita, yung utang mo, yung uutangin mo sa bangko, your credit card is not a retirement plan. You should have money in your bank, basically, or investment that generates income for you to live a comfortable life when you retire. Guys, I was doing the pension of my mom kasi my mom just recently retired. And when she retired, guys, alam mo magkano yung nakukuha niyang pension every month? Nakita ko lang yan. It's roughly around 12,000 pesos and she was working for 30 years of her career. I'm very thankful for my mom, syempre, sa dami niyang trinabaho. But, biglang napaisip lang ako, oh my gosh, if our pension in the Philippines, there's an article here that says na nasa 5,000 to 18,000 lang ang nakukuha usually ng pensioner per month. I'm not belittling that money, but guys, if I ask you right now, do you think that is enough for you to sustain your current lifestyle or the lifestyle that you imagine when you retire? Diba? So, that means we always have to think about a retirement because pagtanda natin, sino ba aasahan natin? I would love na asahan ko pagtanda ko ang jowa ko. Sana, diba? A blue eye, works in finance, char. Pero diba, but most of us might not have that. So, you have to think about your retirement plan. Kaya nga, why do I have my insurances in place, my retirement benefits? Kasi alam ko, I want to enjoy the current life that I'm still enjoying now, even when I'm older. Why do I invest a lot? Because if I invest a lot, kahit makuha ko roughly, kahit 5% lang out of those annual returns ko dyan, at least I can use those money that I earn from my investment to sustain the lifestyle that I want, even when I'm retired. And that's why I keep telling you guys that you have to think about your investment. We should break that cycle na ang investment natin, yung retirement natin is our kids, pamangkin natin, uutangin natin, or whatever little we have. Diba? I'm not saying na not to enjoy your life. You still enjoy your life, but you also have to balance paano yung future mo, paano yung retirement mo, pagtanda mo. Because we're all gonna grow old at the end of the day. But again, balance. Hindi ko sinasabi na mag-invest ka lang, save ka lang, tapos wala na, hindi mo enjoy buhay mo. No! Never ko naman sinabi yun, diba? But I just say balance. Life is about balance. Spend on things that you love, that makes you happy. Don't spend and save on the things that you don't love. O, diba? At least, balance pa rin buhay mo. I spend on the things that I love. I still enjoy my life. Diba? Yun lang. Think about your investment. Think about your retirement. Think about your retirement. Yun talaga, guys.